Hi there, Rob here. Thank Friday, it's filtered. Right, I'm going to talk to you about a couple of units we've got here. These are stainless steel mesh filters. From 90 micron down to 50 micron is generally where our mesh, our stock mesh, actually works for it. Now, where would we use this? We use these generally on sort of either water recycling systems or rainwater harvesting, and we use it just basically to help protect the system or what you've got going on. So this one here is a hydro filter. It's also a self-cleaning filter. So when the mesh within inside it gets quite dirty, what you can do is just simply flick the bottom and the water will come out of here. You can stick a hose or whatever else in it so it can go straight to drain. Really good, simple idea. So where would you use this type of filter? If you've got a water butt or a water tank, maybe for the rainwater, and you want it to sort of sit just before maybe it goes into the pump or maybe it goes into some type of machinery, that's potentially where you'd use this. This will come with, we have a 90 and a 70 micron setting these in targets. Now, one of the ones that we do use domestically, because it's generally a lower flow rate, we have people who use these on rainwater harvesting and the rainwater recycling systems. And this is a little 5-inch beauty. It's exactly the same as that one, just a smaller, more convenient one, easier to fit in the homes or in your shed or wherever else you need it to go. Great one for putting on the bottom of water butts and places like that, just so it helps protect maybe your sprinkler system for your garden, your misting systems, or even just your hose pipe. And if you've got pumps and stuff on there as well, it's going to pre-filter that as well and make sure nothing like, I don't know, cherry stone or your little bits and bobs are going to get sort of filtered through and damage that equipment. If you're looking to do rainwater harvesting, maybe you're looking to do it off-grid, why not get in contact with us? More than happy to help you. Hope to speak to you soon. Have a good weekend.